Hey everyone, this is Vibehop Kotek here for CG Tuts Plus, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to gain access to the presets and all the other cool pre-made stuff that Cinema has to offer that ships with Cinema. So, first things first, let's go ahead and take a look at how to gain access to them. Just gotta go under Window and select the Content Browser. And this is where you can find all the presets. I'm just gonna go ahead and dock it right here. Just make it bigger. And this is basically where you can find all the presets that you have. You have the materials. If you're an advanced user, obviously you can use these materials and speed up your workflow. You wouldn't have to create them. There are a whole bunch of them, so I suggest you go ahead and take a look at those. You have characters, pre-made characters for you to just take a look at. If you're a beginner, you might want to go ahead and just analyze these, break it down, see how they were made, possibly. There's also, I believe, Studio. Right here under visualize objects, you have some studio lights. I thought that was a pretty cool thing. You can just have soft boxes and spotlights, just something to help you light your scenes, maybe, possibly. I don't know, just go ahead and take a look at those. They're pretty cool. You also have some pre-made models that you can use. So you have the outdoor objects, and you can take a look at vehicles, and yeah, it's pretty cool, all these models that are pre-made. So definitely going to take a look at that. For right now, a couple things that you should keep in mind always when using the presets. I'm just going to go ahead and open up one of the characters that I know has this. Doggo Mechanico, what a fancy name. Anyway, this is a pretty cool model. If you render it, it's a pretty detailed model. But if you look in the objects manager, there's only 4 layers. I mean 4 objects. I mean, how is that even possible to create an animatable dog? If you look at it, it's rigged too. It's ready for animation. How is it even possible to create that in 4 layers? Answer is it's probably not, as far as I know. And you can figure out if there are more hidden objects in a scene than you can see. So if you have this red or any kind of color right here, you can just go and click on it, and you can open up the layer browser. And usually there's some layers that are hidden from view, so I can just go ahead and click on the eyeball to, now it's all gone, and now you can see all of it. You can see all of it, but you still can't see it in the objects manager. To go ahead and do that, make them available in the objects manager, you need to go ahead and click on this M column. Just go ahead and click and drag down, and now you can see that you have a whole bunch of objects, and that looks more like what you would use to rig an such a complex model. But you might notice that some of these are grayed out. That's because they're locked. So basically, go to the L column and go ahead and unlock all of them. Now you can edit them, see how they were made. Something pretty cool, in my opinion. I definitely encourage you to take a look at how these were made. Just break them down. Another thing, I'm just gonna go ahead and open up one of the other projects that I know has something that I need to show you guys. It's broadcast 3D objects, abstract, sin wobble, and I'm gonna go ahead and click quit out of the layer browser, and just select everything but the wobble, and just, or I guess delete everything and just add it again. Add the sin wobble. There we go. Uh, Another thing that you need to keep in mind is that Cinema has two ways of coding. One's in espresso. One you can code in espresso, or you can code in coffee. Wherever you see an espresso tag in the tags line, you should just go ahead and click on it right away, and it's probably going to take you to the espresso editor, and you can see that you have all of these nodes in here, and you can see that it's not as easy of a of an object as it looks. It's actually pretty complicated. It's rigged, and it's all good. I encourage you to take a look at this also. Anytime you see an espresso tag, just look through it, see how it was made. I believe it would greatly help. Just gonna go ahead and create this new window under tags. You will also find a coffee tag, which is expressions, but it's coffee is another way of coding. And wherever you see a coffee tag, you should just go ahead and double click, see if it hides anything. I believe this would also help a lot to understand how a particular project was made. And this doesn't just go for presets, it goes for any project that you have. Suppose someone gave you a project for free. It might be helpful. So yeah, you also have some camera animations, shift camera, orbit camera. So go ahead and take a look at pretty much everything that Cinema has to offer when it comes to pre-provided examples. If you go ahead and take a look at some of the simulations, I believe, visualize animations, nope, it's I'm pretty sure it's somewhere around here. Studio, simulation, hair. You can find hair simulations and all that pretty cool stuff. I think this would be helpful too. There's also thinking particles, and thinking particles are just they're just amazing. I mean, just take a look at this. All right, it's pretty right. It's pretty cool. And now, if you go into the Espresso editor, again, Espresso editor is a huge thing. You can see that it's pretty dang complicated to set this up. Probably not for an expert, but for a beginner, it is. It looks pretty intimidating. But if you go ahead and look through everything that it has to offer, I'm pretty sure there's some great knowledge embedded in these files. So I highly encourage everyone from beginner to highly advanced to just go ahead and take a look at them. It doesn't hurt you, and I'm pretty sure it does help. So I hope you guys learned something, and this is Vibe of Kotak here again for CG Tuts Plus.